Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Garfield over here with us this week, and Garfield flew all the way over here across the Atlantic from London, England. And tell them why you did that, Garfield.
I've been having treatment for over 20 years.
From other chiropractors?
From other chiropractors. And I've been watching you on YouTube, and I thought I'd come and try the ring dinger.
Uh-huh. Yeah, UKans love ring dingers.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah.
We have a lot of patients from the UK, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, man, yeah. But we all love you guys' accents. That's perfect.
Yeah.
You can say bloody hell if you want to on your ring dinger. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. That's one of my favorite lines of you guys, plus mate. I went to school with a guy from New Zealand, and I always called him mate.
Yeah.
Because he was my best bud and classmate. So you're still kind of tilting off to the right just a little. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Okay, so this is Garfield's third adjustment here this week. And so we're going to start him off over here on the manual spinal decompression adjustment first, which is lovingly known as the ring dinger all around the world. Okay. There we go. Got you in your tight, huh?
Yes, sir.
Not gonna get away now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so show them you're kicking beforehand, so you can see how much your reflexes improve after the adjustment. Okay, Garfield, just breathe through your nose, wiggle your left ear. There you go. Yes, sir.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, there you go. That's perfect. Alrighty. Okay, dropping my hands. Good. That's it. Boy, oh boy. You're on a swivel now. So do chiropractors over in the UK not do these type of adjustments?
They don't use a ring dinger.
Uh-huh.
The adjustments are near enough the same, but they just don't use this.
Okay, let's sit you up here. There we go. Okay, let's come over here on you. Tell me next, please, sir. You notice he's got his shoes off today. He's been having some pain down in the top of his right foot, so I'll be adjusting his feet today too. His legs are exactly even right now, though. That's a good start. And they stay even. That didn't tighten up too bad either, did it?
That's okay.
Alright, so I'm still going to go ahead and adjust your SI joints first. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy. See, crack aches gonna be loving you, Garfield. You got crack aches over there in the UK too, don't you?
Yes?
Yep. That didn't tighten up even as much as the last one.
No, it didn't. Oh.
You can feel your hips popping up a little on this one. There. Yes, sir. Good. Okay, now let's turn you on your back, please, sir. Yep. Now slide down just a tad. And let's have you put both arms out to the side for me. Perfect. Okay, you can relax your hands right there. Let me have this leg here. There you go. You feel that all the way up in your lower back, Garfield?
Yes, sir.
Good deal. Same here. Relax. There you go. Good. Slide back up that way a little bit so I can adjust your feet. Okay, let this go. Breathe. Think about something else. This little piggy went to market. little piggy went to Minute Maid Park. Oh boy. Boy, no wonder you're so stiff. I have to break out the jackhammer for you. Okay, let's sit you up here and face that away. That's probably why your feet were so sore all the time.
Yeah.
You had absolutely no mobility in your tarsals or metatarsals. But you do now. Mm-hmm. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, now let's come over here and stand in front of the mirror for me again. Tell me how your feet feel right now, by the way.
Yeah.
Better?
Circulation's back. Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let's flex your head forward and backwards again. Okay, much better. You're not tilted near as bad to the right. So let's pull these up and back. Now, see, he's got a little bit of right rotation on the Z-axis in his thoracic spine. So see, in his mirror image, I'm actually having him tilt his thoracic spine to the left to mirror image his biomechanics and adjust his atlas while he's in that mirror image. You can relax. Now try that again. Let's see if that straightened you out even more. Yes, it did. Take a look.
Yeah.
See, that's
Fine.
much better. You got
Excellent.
equal spacing down here now.
Yeah.
Good man.
Good.
So Garfield, everybody always wants to know, what does the ring dinger feel like for somebody who's never had it before?
The ring dinger is a good experience. It's a bit tight, so you have to get used to it, but you can feel that it releases what's going on through your spine. So
All the way
it's
down
good
your
all the
bloody
way.
spine, huh?
Yes. My bloody spine. Yeah. So
And
yeah.
it's not bloody now. It's
Yeah,
good.
it's good. It's good now. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your experience with everyone.
Thank you, Dr.
Appreciate
Johnson.
it. Yeah,
Thank
you're
you very
quite
much.
welcome. Was this worth the trip for
It
you, by the
certainly
way?
was. Yeah.
Good.
I'll come again.
Okay, good.
Okay.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see you all soon.